Alright, we've cut our potatoes and they are in the water. They're starting to simmer. Soon we're going to put a top on them as soon as it comes to a boil, but they've yet to do that. While we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and cut 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to trim the edges off here. And then we're just going to slice them, dice them, pull them off the edge of our knife. We're going to mix them together and make sure that there are no large parts left. Now we're going to move this off to the side. Now we're going to be using ginger twice, so you can use 2 small bulbs of ginger, or you can go ahead and just take more of a medium piece like that. Take our knife and cut off the edges. Then we can cut it in half, so we're going to use half the ginger for one and half for another. Now you can take a peeler and come right down like this. But as you can see, there's different bumps. This isn't like a carrot. There's much more surface to it. So I'm going to take my knife because that's going to get places that the peeler can't. I'm going to trim off all the skin. Until I have just the meat left. Go ahead and discard the skin. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to do just like I did with the garlic. Put it into fine dices. And once I've done both parts, I'm going to put them together and then go over them one more time just to make sure there aren't any large chunks left.